How to purify dirty water in the wild. Boiling is the cheapest and a comparatively efficient way to kill the harmful substances in the water, as most bacteria and microorganisms cannot survive in high heat. But before boiling, make sure the water you boil doesn't contain physical materials like dirt and leaves. Using chemicals that kill bacteria and microorganisms which exist in the unfiltered water is a simple and popular way, preferred by many outdoor enthusiasts. However, this method is not necessarily the best tasting one and can be time-consuming as it can take up to 30 minutes to be totally effective sometimes. Plants offer an unusual way to purify your water. The following plants are proved to be effective in removing contaminants from water: rice and coconuts, plant Xylem, cilantro, fruit peels, reeds and bulrushes, jackfruit seeds, Java plum seed, banana peels, Moringa oleifera and Oregon grape, especially their peels and shrubs. You can create clean drinking water by sealing and soaking the water in a bag with these plants. Distillation provides a useful way to purify salty water in the wild, as fresh water is hard to find sometimes. This process is a bit complicated and usually takes a long time to achieve. A water filtration system offers the most recommended way to purify your water in the wild. Outdoor filtration systems are portable, easy to install and efficient at removing 99% of contaminants. For example, a Clatterans CL1015 replacement water filter for BB9-2 Black Berkey System can remove 99% of harmful substances, such as bacteria, chlorine, chloramines, heavy metals, pharmaceuticals and more, offering you the safest and cleanest drinking water. If you are looking for the best outdoor filtration system, you will find the one you need at Clatterans.